Hello, learners. Welcome to my English YouTube channel, Learn English with Riddhi. In today's class, we will study action words, also known as verbs, with various examples. Action words are the heart of any sentence. They describe what someone or something is doing, from running to jumping, speaking to thinking. Action words help us to communicate clearly and effectively. So let's dive into the exciting topic with a few examples and see how you can use them in everyday sentences. Stay tuned and let's get started. Action words are words that tell us what someone or something is doing. They show actions like running, jumping, eating, or singing. Action words are the words that tell us what happens or what we do. For examples, I will give you some action words such as run, I run fast, jump, the frog jumps high, sing, she sings a song, eat, we eat lunch at school. Play. The children play outside. So we can say that action words tell us what happens or what we do. They are words like run, jump, eat, and sing. Doing words. Doing words are also known as action words, and action words are also known as verbs. So I'll give you the action words now. Let me now tell you what is doing word. Doing words refer to verbs, words that describe actions, states, or occurrences. They tell us what the subject of a sentence is doing or what is happening to the subject. Here, I have written for you doing words tell us what person, animal, or things do. So you can see the examples here. First one is dogs. Dogs bark. Here, bark describes what dogs do, the action of making a sound. Play. Children play. So, play describes what children do, the action of engaging in games or fun activities. Stars. Twinkle. Twinkle tells us what stars do, the action of shining or sparkling. Lions. Roar. Roar tells what lions do, the action of making a loud sound. Here, birds fly. Fly describes what birds do, the action of flying in the air. Teachers teach. Here, teach describes what teachers do, the action of giving lessons or knowledge. In each case, the doing word, verb, is the action that shows what is happening or what someone or something is doing. Let me teach you now. What is written here? Aeroplane fly in the sky. You can see in the video also. Aeroplane fly in the sky. The aeroplane flies in the sky. The action verb is fly here. Fly is the action verb here. It describes what aeroplane is doing. It shows the movement or action of the aeroplane going through the air or moving in the sky. Now, why fly is an action word? Actually, fly tells us what the subject, the aeroplane, is doing. It's moving or traveling through the sky. Fly is an action because it is something the aeroplane actively does, not just existing or being, but performing a movement. So, aeroplane fly in the sky. Here, fly is an action word. Let us move to the next example. What can you see here? Hens lay eggs. In the sentence, hens lay eggs, what is the action word here? The action word is lay. Lay is the action verb here. It describes what the hens are doing. Lay refers to the act of producing or depositing eggs. Now the question arises here, why lay is an action word? So let me tell you. Lay tells us what the hens are doing. They are performing the action of producing eggs. It actually describes the action that happens regularly like the hen laying eggs. So it is very clear to you. Hens lay egg. Here the action word is lay. Oh, you can see here the phone is ringing. In the sentence, the phone is ringing, the action word is, as you all know, here ringing is the action word. Ringing is the action word here. It describes what the phone is doing. The word ringing tells us that the phone is actively making a sound like a bell ringing to alert someone. Now the question arises here, why ringing is the action word? Ringing shows the ongoing actions happening at the moment. The phone is making a sound, which is the action it's performing. The phrase is ringing use the form of the verb ring in the present continuous tense, which indicates that the action is happening right now. So here the phone is ringing. Ringing is an action word. Okay, now you can see in the video, children are playing. Okay, in this sentence, the children are playing. The action word is playing. Playing is the action verb here. It describes what the children are doing. The verb playing tells us that the children are actively engaged in an activity such as game or any other sports or any other form of play. Now the question arises here, why I gave you playing as an action word here? Actually, the playing shows the action the children are performing. They are doing something, having fun, engaging in a game, or playing with toys. The phrase are playing uses the present continuous tense, indicating that the action is happening right now. So, as you can see here, children are playing, and the action word is playing here. Let's move to the next. Okay, as you can see here, the mother is cooking food. As you all can see that, the mother is cooking food. What is the action word here? As you all know, cooking is an action word here. Cooking is the action word here. It describes what the mother is doing. As you can see in the picture, the verb cooking tells us that the mother is actively preparing food. Now the question arises here, why the cooking is an action word? Cooking shows the action of the mother is performing, she is making or preparing food. The phrase is cooking uses the present continuous tense, indicating that the action is happening right now. Some other examples I have for you. The mother is cooking food in the kitchen. Here, cooking is the action word. Other examples I will give you. The mother is cooking dinner for the family. Some more examples I will give you. She was cooking when I arrived. So here, cooking is an action word. In these examples, I can say that cooking is the action words because it tells us what the mother is doing. The mother is preparing food. Okay, here there is a boy who is sleeping. As it is written here, the boy is sleeping. As you all know, here the action word will be sleeping. Sleeping is the action verb here. It describes what the boy is doing. As you can see in the picture also, the boy is sleeping. The verb sleeping tells us that the boy is resting or in a state of sleep. Now the question arises here, why I gave you the sleeping as an action word. Let me tell you. Sleeping shows the action the boy is performing. He is resting or inactive, but it still qualifies as an action because it is something he is doing at the moment. The phrase is sleeping uses the present continuous tense, indicating that the action is happening right now. Some other examples I will give you. The boy is sleeping soundly. Here, sleeping is the action word. I'll give you some more examples for you. The boy is sleeping in his bed. The boy was sleeping when I called him. So in this example, sleeping is the action word because it tells us the boy's current activity, resting or being asleep. Okay, what is written here? As you can see, the woolen clothes. As you all know that we all wear woolen clothes in winter. So the sentence which is written here is that we wear woolen clothes in winter. What is the action word here? Where? Very good. Where is the action verb here? It describes what we, the subject, are doing. The verb wear tells us that we are putting on or using woolen clothes as a part of our daily activities, especially in winter. Now, the question arises here, why wear is an action word? Actually, the wear shows the action of putting on and using clothes. It is something we do regularly. It's an action word because it describes an activity, the act of wearing clothes. For examples, we wear warm jackets in winter. Here, wear is an action word. So other examples I will give you now. They wear uniforms to school. I wear glasses for reading. In this example, wear is the action word because it tells us what the subject, we, they, I are doing, putting on or using clothing or different things. Here, I'll give you some more action words such as bend, cook, crawl, cry, dance, draw, drink, eat, jump, kick, kneel, laugh, lift, paint, pull, raid, run, shout, sit, sing, sleep, smell, swim, play, think, throw, walk, win. So, here, I hope you understood the action words well. If you have any doubt, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. I would love to help you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Learn English with Riti, for more fun and easy English chapters. Thanks for watching and happy learning.